Here is a tutorial now on many different things. Let me start up PhotoPlus, and we are going to open a save work. I'm going to use this picture of a spider, and I'm just going to play around a little bit here. I'm going to put a border around this picture. I'm going to go to canvas size. Now you could do it here with the pixels, inches, centimeters, and all that stuff. But I like to use relative. That way I can just type directly the size of the border that I want. I want an 80-point border. So I just put 80 in both of those. Now it'll come out white because the background color is white. So you could change that background color to anything you want, and then you would have that color as the border. So we have the border on here now, and if I click the magic wand and click in there, you'll see that it gets all that color but not the picture inside. So of course from there I could then change it, pretty much to any color that I wanted just by picking the color and clicking inside there. So, if we go from there, we can do some other interesting things. Like, for example, we can take this border and lift it onto its own layer by saying New from Selection Cut or Copy. We'll say Copy, and that gives us just this frame, and sitting above the other layer. So, what we can do from there is turn off selection, and now we can play with this a little bit by adding layer effects to it. We can put a drop shadow in. We will make it a little blurrier, but a little bit more intense, like that. We will add some effects, 3D effects. I'm going to tighten this up a little bit so it looks a little bit more squared, like that. Change the lighting on it so it's at a different angle. So it's almost in the front like that, and that lights up pretty nicely. We're going to then put a bump map on it. It automatically starts making bumps in it. We're going to up the scale on the X angle here, and what that does is stretches it in that direction, so now it's kind of bumpy. If we want, we can say color fill and change the color from here also. We can change it to a different thing, yellow or red or whatever, but we'll leave it the way it was. Turn that off. We can also go here and say 3D pattern map, which would allow us to do all kinds of different gradient type fills on it. That's actually really pretty, so I'm going to leave it there like that. And that's just another example of things you can do with PhotoPlus.